We're going to have a look at 13b. That's telling us that Io is one of the many moons of Jupiter. It travels at a constant speed around Jupiter in a circular orbit of radius 4.2 times 10 to the 8 meters. Io takes 1.5 times 10 to the 5 seconds to orbit once around Jupiter, and we've now got to calculate the speed of Io in its orbit. So the speed is simply the distance divided by the time. So speed is my distance divided by my time, and the distance, because it's an orbit, it's a circular orbit, so let's make a circle, something like that. Let's move it up there, and it tells us that we have a radius of 4.2 times 10 to the 8 meters. We need to know, if I was starting there, we need to know what is the total distance it travels in one orbit. So that's the circumference of the circle. So the distance is equal to the circumference, which equals 2 times pi times the radius, and therefore the speed is going to equal 2 pi r over t, and if we substitute our values into that, that will tell me that my speed is going to be 2 times 3.14 times 4.2 times 10, not going to fit it in, 10 to the 8, let's start that again. Okay, let's substitute that in, let's do it down here. So it's going to equal 2 times 3.14 times 4.2 times 10 to the 8 divided by the time, which is 1.5 times 10 to the 5 seconds, and if I stick that into my calculator, that comes out as being 1.8 times 10 to the power 4 meters per second.